Did you know that there are many tourism attractions in Indonesia, but only 21% of the few places are known by local and international people? How to overcome that and what are the solutions? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to the Capstone judges at the 2022 Bangkit Academy and the youngest innovators. In the next 10 minutes, we will present our application innovation with the name is Mevel. We will convey the 5 main points: introduction, problem and solution, excellencies and originality, target market, and the last one is financial studies. Based on the data from the World Economic Forum, Indonesia is the most fertile with the highest natural resource in the world. The statement from the WEF is corroborated by data from the Indonesia Central Statistic Agency, which state that 40% of the world geothermal energy reserves are in Indonesia. Indonesia also has 80,306 islands with 583 languages and the tropical forest that can be allocated as tourism attraction. However, more than 67% of the population in Indonesia doesn't maintain and doesn't know about that. This is a big problem because Indonesia will depend on depleting natural resource. Based on the problem, we are from Group Capstone 2022 PS141 present Mevel Meet and Travel application. We built our application with this technology. We built the application using Android Studio, create a machine learning model with TensorFlow and reserve the model in the cloud.
This section is about machine learning development. Machine learning used to inference picture that uploaded by user to give destination recommendation based on the picture. We created the machine learning model with TensorFlow and served the model in the cloud. The dataset that we use to train our model is social event dataset. We get them from the internet. Researchers often use this dataset to conduct their picture detection research. The model is built with transfer-learning concept. We use a pre-trained model called Mobile Net V2. The model is used to train new datasets with fine-tuning mechanism related to our goals to predict pictures categories based on pictures that users upload as model input. After training the model, we evaluate the model with several metrics such as accuracy and loss. As we can see, the result of the model evaluation described with metrics visualization. We can look at the model accuracy and loss to measure the model ability in real case datasets. Metrics show us how model train decreased loss parameter and increased accuracy by the time. We hit the accuracy target at 70%. This result quite good for an initial MVP for our application.
As the backend, we are using Firebase, which is a backend service product maintained by Google. Firebase provides the most use case application needs, including authentication, database storage, cloud functions, etc. To serve the machine learning model, we use cloud functions. We choose cloud functions because it is the most suitable product for our needs. By using cloud functions, we eliminate the work of managing servers, configuring software, and patching operation systems so we can focus on serving the most effective prediction.
For the Android implementation, we are using an VVM architecture, which is use model layer to store data, view layer for UI, and view model layer to support data for UI component. For model layer, we are using Firebase and Google Cloud as remote repository. And for local repository, we are using Room to store data in local database. For view layer, we are using Jetpack Compose. Using Jetpack Compose, we can write with less code. It means code with Compose is simple, easy to maintain, and accelerated development. Compose gives us flexibility to implement the design we have created. When we are building our own design system, we just need to create a function as component and call it whenever we need it. And this is the application result. Mevel has various advantages compared to other applications. One of it is promoting ecotourism, which few people know about. Not only that, but Mevel also has features with machine learning that can provide place recommendation through the outfit used. Based on the platform alert, tourist attraction will increase a country economic sector. Not only that, according to Levy, with the improvement of ecotourism manager, it can be hoped that the creation of ecotourism area sites that have the attractiveness and put forward the principle of environmental conservation, as well as institutional strengthening and empowerment of local community in managing and developing ecotourism area. Based on this statement, by making the location a tourist place, we can increase the area economic sector and reducing global warming by caring for and preserving the site. Compared to well-known apps, Mevel can compare and excel. First, Mevel has more compact and unique appearance with more complete features compared to application called Foursquare. Compared to well-known products such as TripAdvisor, Mevel is still considered superior to several parameters. One of which is the recommendation feature based on outfit. Then the last one is the new application from Expedia, which only has a recommendation feature based on search category. From the comparison of the three applications, it can be judged that Mevel has a superior system.
We also have a business model, a product market fit, and a freemium of our application. From the market size, we have the total addressable market, service available market, and the service obtainable market. We also target the B2B market by considering three main aspects. The first one is demographic segmentation, and the second one is psychographic segmentation, and the third one is advertisement. We also target the B2C market, which we see in two aspects.
We enter the market by advertising and introducing products to potential customers through social media and other media. We also open partnership opportunities with other agencies or institutions that are ready to implement and develop together. And as a pilot, product implementation can be carried out with pilot project companies. We also aim to educate public through the exhibition held. These are our pilot or trial actual local development for what we have done and what we are trying to do for the next 6 months. Mevel continues to strive and maximize development with 6 core team members.